Chef Julia here from the UCLA Teaching Kitchen, and I'm going to be bringing you another recipe of the week. This week we're making one skillet chicken pot pie. It makes it really easy when you can do all the work on the stovetop in one pan and then put it in the oven in the same pan. It's really great for cleanup and ease of use. This is really easy to make with frozen vegetables or fresh vegetables. You can use dark meat chicken or chicken breast. So it's really versatile, it's really hearty, and it's really delicious. I hope you enjoy.